You know these men that just have women around him all the time? And it's not the ugly ones, but the hottest women in the room. How does he do that, right? Today I will teach you 3 steps you should follow to become a chick magnet yourself instantly. Learn these and your life will never be the same again. Hi, my name is Maurice Sondag and I help introverted men to get the women they desire. As an actor, director, coach, consultant and international speaker, I've touched the lives of tens of thousands like you to overcome their worst fear. I'm glad you're here so we can dive right into today's topic. Learn these 3 steps to become a chick magnet yourself. So these guys, we've all seen them or know one. He doesn't do anything specifically. It's not that he's even that good looking, but he somehow always has this hurdle of beautiful women around him. He never approaches them, they actually come to him. Now, how does he do that, you wonder? I mean, you've read all the books, you've watched videos from pickup artists or dating coaches, and sure, they know how to do that, but you? Nah, not so much. So what is the secret? Well, it's actually very simple. I mean, it's just these 3 steps you need to change in your mindset, and things will be different forever. If you nail this, you never have to approach women anymore. They will approach you, follow you, want to be around you, and you have all the choice you want. Now, I bet you have a shortage of women in your life. You have to pursue them, give them all of your attention, hunt them down and make them like you, right? And that's hard, especially if you're an introverted guy. I get that. So we need to change that. Follow these 3 steps, burn them into your brain, and you'll see the change instantly. So what are these 3 mindsets? I hear you. They are 3 mindsets you need to incorporate into your daily life. Not only when meeting women, but always. These 3 mindsets will give you a new aura around you that women just can't resist and will attract them like bees to a honey fest. They can't help themselves. It's curiosity, it's attraction. It's all at the same time. Mindset number 1, have an abundance mindset. Now, I've talked about this before and I will continue to do until you understand and live by it. It's that powerful that if you can build this into your mindset, your perspective on life changes. Having an abundance mindset means that you don't act from scarcity. Scarcity will create stress because we don't have enough of something we want. And that makes us uncomfortable because we do want that thing. So we become needy in our behavior. While if you can view the world from an abundance mindset, there is no scarcity. You have enough of that thing, so there's no stress if a piece falls off the wagon. You don't have stress that you need to have it. If it comes, it's good. And if it's not coming, it's also fine. So when you have an abundance mindset with women, you don't become needy. There's no stress that they are not in your life. Now, having an abundance mindset is something different than having abundance in something. But they do act the same. Now, I don't have 20 women in my life. One is just perfectly fine and I'm very happy with her. But my mindset is possible because I know that when that one woman would leave me, I would still have options and I can find another woman to spend my time with. Now, how do I know that? Because I understand the process of seduction. Because I know myself that well that I can show all the attractive traits that women like. So I know I have options. I don't get stressed out if I don't have a woman in my life. So my behavior won't show neediness. I have an abundance mindset. So learn the skills you need so you can have the abundance mindset in the area you want to. Is it money? Learn the skills to make money. Is it women? Learn the process of seduction. Skills we create confidence, and that will actually create abundance. And until then, there's this little bonus tip. Fake it till you make it. If you start acting as if you have abundance, you will show that to the world already. And people will believe if you believe it. Start thinking as if you have abundance, and your decisions will reflect that mindset. Subconsciously, you will program yourself into setting the right goals, making the right decisions, and go for your goal. So, mindset number 1, have an abundance mindset. Mindset number 2 is own the place. Women like confident men, men that own who they are and are showing the world they got their shit together. If you enter a room, wherever that is, a bar, a restaurant, a birthday party for my part, wherever you are, you should act as if you own that place. It's your place. The trick is to be aware of your surroundings there. Use your peripheral view and observe the room. Scan it and know where the key elements are. Where's the bar located? Where is the dance floor? Where are the toilets? Don't look around and be in awe of everything that you see. No, you enter the room as if you would enter your own home. You don't look at all your decorations at home when you enter your home. You know them already, so use that. Same with a new area. And act like it's your own home. Greet the people that are in there already, from the guests at the bar to the bartender. They work for you because it's your bar. And being a customer actually makes them indeed work for you. They are there to serve you. So that's pretty much the same as if you would actually be their boss, right? I mean, their boss pays their salary, right? Well, no, you do, by spending your money there so the boss can give it to them. So it's your place. Start acting like that. Mindset number 3 is don't give a shit. Now, not giving a shit means that you are okay with any outcome. It's not as strong as being indifferent. I mean, you do care about stuff, but only the stuff that you can control. If it is out of your hands, you shouldn't be upset about it if it has a different outcome than you wanted. You couldn't control it, so don't give a shit if it goes differently. This mindset works better and easier if you have nailed already the first mindset of abundance, but in general they are 2 different things. You just don't give a shit if you talk to a woman and if she rejects you. It's her loss. Don't get upset about it. And whatever her reasons are, it's out of your control. Now, we tend to give a shit about way too much, but really, what's the point to get fired up about something that is out of your control? You can't help change the outcome. And if you can, then you do. But even then, if the outcome becomes something different than you hoped for, it's okay. You did what you could, but it went the other way. Let it go, move on. Now, if you can master this, you will find yourself in a so much more relaxed state. Just let it go. Becoming happy is not about giving a fuck about more, but giving a fuck about less, as Mark Manson says in his book, The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck. And I highly recommend you read that book. It has some interesting insights in this subject. So, which of these mindsets do you need to build on? Let me know in the comments below. Now, what happens when you build this into your day-to-day life? These 3 mindsets. Have an abundance mindset, own the place, and don't give a shit. You will decrease your cortisol levels, your stress hormone. You become relaxed, self-aware, confident, and you can make your own decisions better, lead your lives on your terms. And you know what? That is highly attractive to women. They just can't help it to find you mysterious, can't get a grip of you, do find you interesting because you show all the traits of an attractive man. But there's no stress. You comfort them. You create space for them because you have space in yourself. But you don't overshadow them with your testosterone. You become a gentleman with charm and self-worth. You don't need any needy behavior towards women anymore. They actually have to do some work to get your attention. They invest in you, and that creates an even higher value to you instantly. Own these mindsets, and women will want to hunt you, approach you, want you, and they fulfill the desire all men have: abundance in women, options to choose from. An important spectrum for you, maybe a new perspective you've never had. Options. Now, who do you choose? Now, if you want to know more about how you can grow these traits, I highly recommend you check out the free email course I created that will tell you everything you need to know. I put a link in the description down below, so go check it out. It's for free and you receive one lesson every day in your email box for 1 week, so you can process it on your own time, in your own tempo. So check it out down below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel. I post videos every week, so keep your eye out for the next one. And also let me know in the comments down below what your experience is in this area of expertise. Have you worked on this? Did it help you? Did you see any change during the time? Let us know. Maybe you can help someone else as well. So until next week then, bye bye.